for somewhere. Okay, and if we go more down to downside, okay, and we want to bounce, we're gonna bounce to a lower level than we expected. This is for the monthly chart. Now let's go to the weekly. Weekly is gonna go. It's the same actually. I haven't changed, but this is a closer look for you, and it's just to tell you what exactly are we looking at here. Okay, I'm sorry to say this, but let me just change this. Okay. Very quickly. Okay. It's the same. Whatever was actually drawn was explained actually in the monthly chart, but here we're gonna take a closer look actually at the last move. I'm not gonna talk about the previous move at all because we have seen it in a longer time frame and more general and more clear picture. But here we're gonna talk about the last move here, about the last downtrend of the euro dollar. What happened here? The euro, when it tests actually the last resistant, okay, the resistant line at 149.40, started to reverse and go down. But what happened? It formed a smaller channel. Now the euro is trading within a longer term downtrend channel, but also it's forming a smaller, okay, channel, and still also a negative channel, a downtrend channel to the downside within the same general downtrend channel, the red one. You see, so we have two channels: the general one, okay, the longer one, the biggest one, the larger one, and a smaller channel, but also it's a downtrend. So this one is a channel, a down channel, okay, uh, downtrend channel, okay, going from the upper line L1 to the lower line to the lower line at L2, just to test the lower line of the larger or the mega downtrend channel, right? So as we can see here, the euro was testing here first the upper channel, right? Then went down, test here, then went up, tested the upper channel, went down, tested, went up again, okay, and test the. So if you can notice, okay, from 149.40 to 131.28, then it went up to 142.11 and went down to 126.20, and then it went up to test the level of the upper channel, okay, to 134.20, then started to go down. Now we are at 125, figure 125.15 as it shows here. What is going to happen next? Are we going to stop here? No, we're not going to stop here because 125 was a very, very important support. As you can notice and you can see, it's a very important support for the shorter time frame of the weekly chart. Okay, you can see that we have the level over here, and over here, but it broke it. So what is going to happen? And we are trading within a downtrend channel, a small downtrend channel, a weekly downtrend channel. Right? So what is going to happen? It's going to trade and fluctuate a bit here, and I expect that the euro is going to go down again to test the lower channel at first is 119, and if we manage to break the 119, we're going to go down again to 116.40, what we talked about in the monthly chart. Then we're going to bounce back again, as it shows here in the weekly chart, to test also again the 124 and 125 level. I'm not exact. I'm not saying the exact numbers, and I will never be able to tell the exact numbers. But what is going to happen after that? No one tells me if we reach 116.40, it's going to be the end of the story of the downtrend, of the downtrend of the euro downtrend. No one. I don't want to hear this. It's not going to be the end of the story. We have to respect the supports and resistance, and that's what is going to happen. We proved it in the past. It never stopped in a place before the support or the resistance. And even here, some people would say it didn't stop here on the upper line of the downtrend channel. Yes, but it was testing the uptrend line, the orange line. That's why it stopped over there, just to prove to you that I'm not gonna go up, and I'm now in a downtrend channel, or a downtrend actually move. That's why the euro already reversed from its uptrend, and now we're starting to go downtrend. We stopped here, and we have to stop somewhere. So what I'm expecting, we are now in the smaller downtrend channel. We can stop here for a while at 119 level, or we could fluctuate to 116 level. A lot of people will buy over here. They will think it's the end of the story, and euro is gonna stop over here and it's gonna go up. And that would be a very good chance for the big banks and big institutions, okay, to make money and sell you a lot of crap of this currency, and then it's gonna go up, and I think it's gonna test only the maximum of this channel. If it breaks that channel, I would say there is something wrong is gonna happen, and it's gonna go up, and it might break the upper line. But if it doesn't break the 125.50 at this level, okay, which is going to be considered as a very strong resistance at that time, okay, it means we're going to reverse back again as it shows here, and test again the 116.40, and then we're going to go and visit the cross point here, the cross lines, which is at 110.85 or 111. Let's say it's 111. And this cross lines, as it shows here, I expect it to be in November or December, somewhere around in 2012, of course. And after that, everybody, as I said, will leave Europe and will know it's a mess, and they will accept it. But then they will turn their eyes into USA, and they would say, "Oh my God, we were just busy with Europe and forgot USA and the dollar." And what is going to happen? Then everyone will know that we should short the dollar and buy something else, buy gold, buy silver. I don't know. They're gonna buy a lot of stuff, okay, other than dollar. They will sell this, and they will say that toilet paper is much expensive and much better investment, okay, than keeping the dollar bill. So it will start to go up and bounce, and we have to break the channel at that time. I don't know when it's gonna be there, but this is, I don't think, before 2013, somewhere around February, March 2013. If we manage to break that channel to the upside, then we will go up till we visit the 140, 134, I don't know, whatever we're gonna visit at that time. It's gonna move actually in waves, and it's not gonna move immediately like that, but we have to follow. That's it for today, and actually I was just trying to be very fast, but it wasn't very fast. It seems that I so uh, that's it for today, actually, and I was trying just to explain as much as I can of my view about the euro, and why do I think that the euro would reach 111, 110. I know it's a bit somehow a lot pessimistic uh, and negative view, and very aggressive, actually negative view, but actually that's what I see in my chart, and I respect my technical charts, and I respect support and resistance, and I don't just go after the news and after crap fundamentals that I'm not convinced with. I'm convinced with the charts and with the market sentiments. Anyway, you can follow me at Twitter at Tariq Trading Signal. As I said before, I will show you my. This is my, as you can see here, this is my trading signal. Okay, this is my address, and this is my Facebook trading signals.com. You can find me, and I will accept you. So that's exactly my addresses. I wish you the best, and I hope this one works for you, and now it's more clear. And I will also have another chart about the Dow Jones and how I expected Actually, I was expecting it's gonna go up to 13,000, 13,300, somewhere around that, and then I said it's gonna be a free fall. Anyway, I will come back again to you with more charts and more explanation about the market downtrend. But 2012 is not gonna be as good as everybody's expecting. Thank you and good luck.